One sec.
Pardon me.
Ah, yeah, I think so too. $18.19, and the alarm still hasn't gone off. Let's hope it'll go off again in a minute. Let's hope, hey Mum?
Let's hope so.
$18.20, still no sign of another light. What's the time?
22 minutes past.
18:22, and the alarm still hasn't gone off. I think I'm on record!
What'd you say?
Pardon me! I do apologise for that inconvenience. That was inconvenient. Whee!
Don't record it, love, just yet. Wait till it comes on. You're still recording on it?
Yeah. It's alright, my phone doesn't mind really. Do me a phony! I'll give it till 2 minutes, and if it don't go off by then I'll pause it. Until the alarm doesn't go off, okay, mummy? $54, $55, $56, $57, $58, $59. We are in this lush Gloucester and District Irish Club, and Mum and I wave.
Hello.
I'm going to sing you an Irish song if it's not going off by 25 past.
Oh my heck.
Oh no, we're not.
You're on your own on that one, mate.
I can guess that. What's the time?
Oh, a minute since you last asked me.
I'm nervous! Come on, barriers. What's time? Mum, what's time? I'm getting nervous. Please.
Well, you're recording nothing. Nothing, you're recording nothing.
But I'm recording me and you talking until the alarm goes off. Okay. Pepsi Mac. Come on. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Oh, there you are. Listen.
Finally, we get some signs. Let's zoom in.
And the barriers are going down.
This is the Gloucester level crossing. Should we watch the train?
Might as well.
Since we got this on record. We finally got the recording! By the way, I'll wind the window down just so everyone can hear the alarm. You're a woman, wouldn't you?
And that's 18:26.
20 minutes late. Unfortunately. I got overexcited then, didn't I?
You did.
I get nervous, Mum, with these sort of things you say.
Come back again on Thursday.
That's my nervous burp. Mum.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put this on Facebook or YouTube. train. Beep, beep. I'm getting all nervous. We should get some new lights on here, Mum, shouldn't they? We're gonna indicate out. Mum,
What?
I can still get recording.
No, it's the train coming.
That was it?
Yeah.
How did you know?
I can see it.
Oh, coming off platform 10 of Gloucester. Is it platform 10?
Oh, I've no idea.
See, she's like James Coote, whatever his name is. I think Mr. Train coming by now. Yep. Yep, this is the train coming by.
Oh, it's only a little one.
And it's going slow as well. Shouldn't we run out of petrol?
No, they have to go slow coming out of the station.
They
can't go fast.
Here comes the train. Nope, there's another train coming, obviously, Mum. Mum?
Maybe.
This is just getting boring. It's just getting boring. Mum, what I'm going to do, when we leave out here, I'm going to leave it on just in case the amber light shows again.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So people get a close up of the first, actually being first image of the amber light. And if the amber light does show, are we going to stop?
Well, of course, yeah.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
It says stop when light show. Stop when light show. Please do, or else you will you will get sued by whatever it's called. Last train on. Yep.
There we go.
There's the last train. We'll go.
And that's 6:30, and I'm going to make a move, okay?
Hooray!
Got your belt on, haven't you? Good luck.
Yep.
I don't think there'll be another one just now, love.
Well, it might be. You don't have some of them, don't you? Okay, so window up. I'm getting nervous now.
No, we're fine.
Well, you don't know that, but I do.
There we go.
And that's our Horton Road depot closed. Goodbye.
See